How to remove my tag from someone else's post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Then under how you use Instagram, simply tap on your activity. Under interactions, find tags and simply tap on it. Now tap on tagged. Now tap on select. Now select the post and tap on remove. Again tap on remove. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.